you know about the lunar occultation of Venus? On May 27, Venus rose as the morning star, near the waning crescent moon in a pre-dawn sky already full of planets. It was close on the sky to the moon's crescent, and a conjunction of the second and third brightest celestial beacons was enjoyed by skygazers around the world. But seen from locations along a track through Southeast Asia and the Indian Ocean, the moon actually passed in front of Venus in a lunar occultation. In this animated GIF, the 75% illuminated disk of Venus approaches and just begins to disappear behind the sunlit southwestern lunar limb. The telescopic frames used to construct it were captured from Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean around 4:50 a.m. local time, with the moon and Venus very close to the eastern horizon. At the time, Venus was over 180 million kilometers from Reunion Island, compared to a lunar distance of a mere 400,000 kilometers or so. About 50 minutes later, Venus emerged from behind the moon.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.